Kadirga in Istanbul. How to pronounce, brother? Kadirga.
Kadirga.
Kadirga. Qadar kare. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful place. A small street, but good. Grand Bazaar is very huge. Oh, mashallah. Lot of taxi here, huh? Yes, on hill. Istanbul is on city is on hill, mountain. Mashallah. चार्जर है ना आपके बैग में? I'm very excited to see you, brother Anis. Anis, huh?
Huh?
Your name?
Nedim.
Nadim. Oh, what is it? Why Anis, man? Nadim. Nadim. People like to drive like this.
You can drive bicycle?
I drive,
Really?
but for fun.
Wow.
Not for traveling, for fun.
Not for travel.
All over the world, yellow color taxi, huh?
Mr. Problem.
Mr. Problem everywhere. MashaAllah. Loti gift shop. And this is mosque.
Yes.
Sea song. There is sea song.